Okay, so after a long day of not being home, I get to get my Ipsy box opening done. Mind you, it was delivered yesterday, but the person didn't give me the key to do the locker thing, so I couldn't get it. So, yeah. Not like it was a problem waiting an extra day or so. Alright, so I forgot what I picked. My baby's in the background making noise. We do real life over here. Alright, so it says ready, set, play. Okay. So this looks like it's a mood box. So we have red for mood boost, passion, orange, optimism, yellow, joy, green, tranquility, blue, confidence, violet, ambition, and pink, compassion. We have little celebs right there, so that's super cute too. Let me look at the celebs. Ana de Armas, Margot Robbie, Michaela Coel, Gabrielle Union, Lupita Nyong'o, Rihanna, and Camila Cabello. Ooh. All right, so I'm pretty sure I picked this. This is Mud Masky Glam Care Pore Perfection Primer. So blurring, correcting, anti-aging, hydrating, and unifying. So in the makeup, in the summer, I don't really wear makeup because, you know, it's hot and yeah, it can get melty, but I still like to use primer to blur out the lines and make everything smooth and, you know, airbrush in person without like overdoing it. All right, so the next thing is Symbiosis London Enlightening and Exfoliating Cleansing Gel. So I think this was another pick because I just need to work on my dark spots there that were from super long ago. And my skin has been coming along, so it says white peony aims to brighten and tone the skin, helping reduce wrinkles and discoloration often caused by environmental pollutants. Then we have Papain Complex, and that is designed to exfoliate the skin whilst helping smooth and hydrate, resulting in a brighter appearance. On to the next product. So this is JLo Beauty. I'm pretty sure I picked this too. Hit that single gel cream cleanser. So it says brighten, refine, soothe, directions, massage over wet face, eyes, and neck, rinse, use daily, morning and night. I'm excited to try this because JLo, I know she's not like organic or whatever. What am I trying to say? She wouldn't use anything that's crazy on her skin. And even with the alcohol de Lola that she launched, it's like gluten-free alcohol, so it's like healthy alcohol. So I know whatever she put in the face wash is nice. All right, so the next product is Dirty Lamb Apricot Cleansing Oil. So it's vegan. You can use it day and night, unisex, and natural. Oh. I didn't know it wasn't screwed on all the way. Good thing that nothing spilled inside the box. And the last product is from Wonder Beauty, Upgraded Lashes. So it's a thickening mascara. Now, although I don't do a lot of makeup in the summer, like I said, I still like to use like a little bit of highlighter on my nose, right here, chin, inside, and up here. So I just took the mascara out the box, and maybe it won't focus. And I like looking at the wands. Oh, it's like I don't even know if you can really see that. Yeah, I thought it would have like the ball at the end. It looks like it's kind of wider at the front and the back and skinny in the middle. So it, like, when you go up, it'll go like, in your eye and the outer eyelash. So that's cute. So that is my June Ipsy bag unboxing. I am getting my BoxyCharm box I think this month too. So when that ships and gets delivered, I'll unbox that. And then I don't know if I'm doing the Glam X. I think I get like 3 bags from them. Or boxes, on whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I'm super excited. We're focusing on, keeping the face clean, smooth, hydrated, youthful, and yeah, these are actually like all face products. So that was my focus, especially for summer, for moving oil. Yeah, like I was saying, keeping the face clean, keeping all the oils off, especially in summer. Right now, I'm getting like dry patches here from the nighttime acne thing that I'm using, which is fine. And I know, when skin is dry, it creates more oil. So I'm just trying to balance out everything and, making sure I drink my, 64 ounces of water a day, and keep myself hydrated. Definitely, I noticed a difference in my skin when I'm getting a lot of water in my body. So a good cheat way I do that is by, so that's my little baby in the background. I promise you he's fine. Yeah, I'm super excited to try everything and see what the results are. I love getting my Ipsy boxes because it allows me to try new products and stuff like that on a budget. And if you want to try Ipsy, I'll put it in the description box, and you can do like a trial bag, or I don't know, I forgot what they call it, but yeah, I would love to have everybody try out Ipsy if you're interested. I'm super excited for this summer too, because I'm doing a lot of projects. If you like my dress, you can go on my website, www.itsarixoxo. We have our summertime find sale going on, and it's 25% off everything, including the designer labels. And everything's 100% authentic. It comes with the tag. the little product code. I have clothes, I have sunglasses and accessories so you can be cute with me, and we can do outfit of the day and all that fun stuff. So yeah, bye.